So the reasons why the G sensors are important for the communication with the ABS is that the 04 STi has a double rear proportioning valve, which means it brakes each rear wheel independently based on the lateral G sensor that's going to measure how much the car is turning while you are braking and distribute the braking force independently from the wheel that is inside of the corner and the wheel that is outside of the corner. So this system works extremely well. It's called electronic brake distribution. Works extremely well in the 04 STi as long as everything is working properly. So if you get ABS codes, you need to fix them so that the system works. And usually with the if you look at the list of ABS codes, the one you are going to have related to the sensors are 56 and 73. I have a separate video on how to pull those codes. And you might also have problem with the DCCD G sensor. And so if you look at the trouble codes for the DCCD, if you have a code number 22, that's going to be a problem with your lateral G sensor. Quick explanation about the ABS and DCCD wiring harness in a GD STi. So those are the wires coming next to your ebrake. So you have two parts to the harness. That stuff is just a connector for the mirrors, so you can ignore that. You have two G sensors for the ABS. They are both connected with white connectors, so they correspond to those two things on the wiring diagram, which is B292 and B257. Those two guys are connected here to a splicer connector, which is this guy here with a 6-pin, and it's actually plugged with this. So the Subaru diagrams are inconsistent. This one is the only one that is correct, wiring 45, that connects those three on this side together, those three on this side together. All the diagnostic diagrams are wrong and connects all those six together, which is incorrect. But here, this plug just goes on this and connect the three wires on one side with the three wires on the other side. Click like this, that's it. So that's the ABS part of it with those two sensors. Those are the ones that are gonna trigger like code 73 and stuff like that. The other part of the harness coming through the same piece here are the DCCD components. So here you have the connector to switch the DCCD to manual mode, and here the connector for the center diff control to put more or less lock. And this thing, which is just under your e-brake, is the G sensor for the DCCD controller. And so this one has a black connector. Another thing for the ABS controller module, the pin numbers that are on the connector itself absolutely do not correspond at the pin numbers that are on the diagram. Go with the pin numbers that are in the documentation, in the diagram, and ignore the numbers that are on the plug. So in the engine bay, we have the ABS module here. Double check that the connector is probably plugged in for the ABS. The front of the connector here has a tab. You take a pair of needle nose pliers like this, and you slide this thing toward the front like this, all the way, and that's how you can pull the plug out. When you pull the plug back in, just push it down and slide that down to clip in place properly. The next thing to check otherwise is in your fuse box. Here, as you can see, there is the ABS 20M fuse that you need to check. You have a relay box. Usually this is on the side of this. Here it has been relocated, and here it's upside down, but you have a fuse here, 10M fuse, that powers everything else. If you don't have power here, you won't have power to the ABS. Behind the fuse box there is a black connector where you ground pin number 6 in the bottom right corner here. And then, so behind there on the left hand side of your fuse box, you will have 3 round relays. The pink one is for the ABS and the blue one is for the DCCD. So first I'm gonna try connector number 6 here. I put a crocodile plug into a wire that I run to the car so I can test between my G sensor and the wire. So here I'm just gonna test for continuity between number 2, which is the center one, and my wire coming from the door. So that might be our issue. Yep, nothing. So number 6 is a white wire. I couldn't figure out where it was broken. Usually it's somewhere in the fender if the grommet is missing, but there was no damage here. I think there was a bit of damage in the harness here because it wasn't protected before. I didn't want to waste too much time, so I just run a new wire directly from here to the fender. So here you can see my wire that I routed with the stock harness behind my protection in HPD, and then I went here to the grommet to go back inside the car. I'm gonna retape over the grommet to make sure it's sealed. Inside the harness, come here to the grommet on the right hand side of the blower through the A pillar here, and run the wire all the way to my sensor. I'm gonna splice that now. I connected directly here to do a test and the code went away, so I'm just gonna clean and button up this wire and I should be good to go. So when I look at the regular G sensor and lateral G sensors on the STi model, which are those two, they both have their pin number 1 connected to this thing that is tapping power from pin number 30 from the ABS module. And both pin 3s are also connected together and getting power from number 28 on the ABS module. Then they each have a dedicated wire. 29 goes directly to the lateral G sensor, and 6 goes directly to pin number 2 of the G sensor. So I already repaired both number 2 for pin 29 and pin number 6 to rewire, but I think I still have a problem between 1 and 3 that are not getting their power from pin number 20 and 30 and 28. Another code you might get at some point if you have electrical issues is DTC44 for the automatic transmission. Of course, the STi doesn't have an automatic transmission at normal control, but that's usually, if you look at the diagram, which is completely wrong for the STi, those two wires from the ABS module, which are wires 3 and 31, are actually connected on pin 10 on the DCCD controller module. And you need to make sure you have continuity here. That wire goes, like all the other wires of the ABS, it goes through here, through the fender. It follows the top of the fender on the passenger side and goes back behind the fender liner through the inside of the car and comes back behind the blower box just on the side here. And then the DCCD controller module is just under your dash here. And the rest continues actually around behind the dash and come back through the center console next to your e-brake. If you like this content, please give us a like and subscribe. Thank you.